रिलेटेड टू एकेडमिक्स आई हैड लाइक कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जो आप गूगल पे देख के या यूट्यूब पे देख के नहीं समझ सकते। उनका कंसेप्ट क्लियर करने के लिए आपको टीचर के पास ही जाना पड़ता है।
राइट।
अदर देन स्कूल आई डिड नॉट नीड एनी हेल्प. They provided me with all the PYQs, all the sample papers, and any doubt I had were cleared in the doubt sessions done by the school itself. There is a concept of doubt sessions in Matrix High School.
Right.
So at the evening time it used to be there. So when in that I used to go to teacher and like I used to take every single one of my doubts and they were cleared by that particular teacher.
हेलो एवरीवन, आज हमारे बीच में एक यंग कैडेट है जो हमारे ही स्कूल से पास आउट है और जिसने एनडीए का एग्ज़ाम दिया और उसके आगे की कहानी हमें वो खुद ही बताएंगे। हमारे बीच में हमारे साथ में है मनस। मनस, वेलकम टू द स्कूल वंस अगेन। एंड कैसा लगता है वापस स्कूल आके?
Feels very good when I come to school. I see students. Like kind of nostalgic feeling.
क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे बहुत बार बच्चे जब नीट की या जेई की तैयारी कर रहे होते हैं तो उनको बहुत साल पढ़ना होता है और फिर जाके उनको सक्सेस मिलता है, तो क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि एट अ वेरी यंग एज एनडीए में जाने से ही यू आर एक्चुअली अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन नाउ? तो हाउ डज इट फील?
It feels very good. Like for me, I was never interested into studies that much. Like the thought of going to IITs and medical colleges and again studying for 4-5 years and then like getting successful was kind of way too boring for me.
राइट। देखिए, एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे नोट करने वाला ये है कि मानस का कहना है कि मेरे को पढ़ाई ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं थी, लेकिन टू क्लियर द एनडीए एग्ज़ाम इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट इट इज़ वर्थ अप्रिशिएटिंग। तो मनस, अब हमें ये भी बताना पड़ेगा कि आपने ये तैयारी, मतलब ये इसके पीछे इंस्पिरेशन क्या थी? एक तो ये कि चलो ठीक है, आप ज़्यादा पढ़ना नहीं चाहते थे, बट व्हाट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन बिहाइंड इट?
One of the very common reason for everyone is the pride of serving the nation and wearing that uniform.
वेरी राइट।
But for me, my personal reason was that I told that I was not into studies that much. मेरे को गेम्स, आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज, ये थ्रिलिंग एक्टिविटीज काफ़ी अच्छी लगती थी।
तो मतलब आपको लगा कि एनडीए में जाके, आर्म फोर्सेस में जाके थ्रिल ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा। वेरी नाइस।
Main reason was that for me, that motivated me to join NDA.
ये तैयारी करने में, मतलब आपने जो एग्ज़ाम दिया, आपने जो क्वालिफाई किया, उस सब में मैट्रिक्स का कितना हाथ है?
Matrix, the school helped me a lot. From 11th only, when I was in 11th, COVID came. So at that time, online classes also. But main was when I came to 12th in school. Both my syllabus of 11th and 12th, they helped me in that, as well as the subject. I was having PCM in my 12th. But NDA exam also requires GS, in which like social science and English is also there. So those subjects were also covered by my school only.
Okay.
So I did not need any help, external help.
वेरी नाइस। तो मतलब जो स्कूल का करिकुलम पढ़ाया जा रहा था 11th-12th में, वो आपको काफ़ी हेल्पफुल था?
Yes, ma'am.
तो उसके में कुछ एडिशनल, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा भी करना पड़ा?
No, other than school, I did not need any help. They provided me with all the PYQs, all the sample papers, and any doubt I had were cleared in the doubt sessions done by the school itself.
तो मतलब अगर कुछ चैलेंजेस आए तो वो कैसे वाले चैलेंजेस आए होंगे?
In related to academics, I had like कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जो आप गूगल पे देख के या यूट्यूब पे देख के नहीं समझ सकते। उनका कंसेप्ट क्लियर करने के लिए आपको टीचर के पास ही जाना पड़ता है।
राइट।
और लाइक एक 20 बच्चों की क्लास है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बच्चे को वही डाउट हो। तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर द टीचर ऑल्सो टू सॉल्व एवरी वन ऑफ योर डाउट इन द क्लास। सो मैट्रिक्स, देयर इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ डाउट सेशंस इन मैट्रिक्स हाई स्कूल।
राइट।
So at the evening time it used to be there. So when in that I used to go to teacher and like I used to take every single one of my doubts and they were cleared by that particular teacher in that time only. So doubt sessions were very helpful and they proved to be very important in me.
तो मे बी थ्रू यू वी कैन ऑल्सो गिव अ मैसेज दैट जो भी बच्चे एनडीए की तैयारी कर रहे हैं स्कूल के साथ साथ में, मे बी कोई एक ऐसा स्लॉट बना देना चाहिए वेयर द चिल्ड्रन कैन क्लैरिफाई देयर डाउट्स।
Yes.
तो उनको एक्सटर्नल हेल्प की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
Yes.
तो मम्मी को कैसा लगा था जब पहले ही अटेम्प्ट में आपने क्लियर कर लिया था?
Everyone was very happy when I called that I got recommended.
वेरी नाइस।
Everyone was happy.
तो मतलब एनडीए में भी अलग अलग स्ट्रीम्स होती हैं,
Yes.
तो थोड़ा सा आप हमें बताइए कि आपने कौन सी स्ट्रीम चूज़ करी और क्यों चूज़ करी वो स्ट्रीम?
NDA, like it is Joint Defense Academy, so it has all the three forces: Navy, Army, and Air Force. I chose Navy because I was more inclined towards Navy, the postings and the service itself. So I I was more inclined towards Navy other than Army and Air Force.
So your mother was also happy कि you're going in the Navy line.
Yes, ma'am.
But Navy से मतलब ये भी समझ में आता है ना कि you will be on the ship most of the time. So you will have to be like away from home for a very long time. Is that so? ऐसा भी रहेगा?
That is same in Army and Air Force also.
अच्छा.
Army also they'll be posted in remote areas. Same for Air Force.
तो थोड़ा सा और बताओ कि जैसे मेरे भी बहुत सारे क्लासमेट्स हैं जो आज ऑफिसर्स हैं एंड रिटन एग्ज़ाम क्लियर करना मेरे को मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि शायद फिर भी काफ़ी लोग क्लियर कर लेते हैं बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वी हियर दैट बच्चे जो एसएसबी होता है वहाँ वो थोड़ा सा अटक जाते हैं या दे आर नॉट एबल टू डू दैट। तो आपने क्योंकि एसएसबी भी क्लियर किया है इन वन अटेम्प्ट, तो आप थोड़ा सा बताइए अगेन इन पर्सपेक्टिव विद मैट्रिक्स कि कैसे मैट्रिक्स प्लेड अ ग्रेट रोल कि आप पहले ही अटेम्प्ट में आपने क्लियर कर लिया।
Exam, as you told, it is not that difficult. A lot of students preparing for JEE can easily crack the ND exam. But the main difficulty or the main hurdle is SSB. The major reason why a lot of people fail SSB is because they do not know much about SSB, what goes in those 5 days.
Right.
So, like when I also went to coaching for SSB, they do not tell you how to crack SSB. They only tell you what is going to happen with you in those 5 days. How you will crack those SSB is how you practice for that. They will tell you what all tests you will be given and you have to practice for that. Practice is the only
the key.
Yes, ma'am.
Also मेरे ख्याल से SSB में जैसे as far as what I know कि आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी होनी चाहिए, आपकी जनरल अवेयरनेस अच्छी होनी चाहिए बिकॉज यू हैव टू गो थ्रू अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन। तो ये मेरे ख्याल से मैट्रिक्स बच्चों को इनडायरेक्टली प्रिपेयर कर देता है बिकॉज बाय वे ऑफ सो मेनी एक्टिविटीज दैट द स्कूल डज, और उससे मेरे ख्याल से आपको थोड़ा हेल्प मिला होगा।
Like in group discussion held in SSB, like whatever the topic is, you will be general aware at that time that you can put 1 or 2, 3 points in that topic. Even if you are not particularly aware of crux of that topic, by listening to others you can make up points. But what requires is the courage to speak in front of 4 or 5 people. That you will gain only when you have taken part in debates or declamations that are held in school. And that those things I have seen taking place in school, I also used to take part, and those played a vital role to help that building up that courage to speak those points in front of the group.
एंड मेरे ख्याल से मतलब इट इज़ नॉट अ वन डे अफेयर, बच्चे को काफ़ी साल ये चीज़ें करनी चाहिए तब जाके वो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है और वो कैलिबर आता है टू बी एबल टू डू सच थिंग्स। वंडरफुल। सो because now you are on your holidays and you have come back to the school to meet all of us, will you be able to take out some time for the children to just share your methods of preparation, your tips, so that the children are also able to do that? So will you be able to take out some time?
Sure.
Wonderful. Lastly, what is one message that you want to give to the children ताकि वो अपनी तैयारी लास्ट मिनट के लिए ना रखें बल्कि लंबी तैयारी रखें so that like you they are also able to crack it in one go. So what is your message?
My message would be, like I told you earlier, I was not into studies that much. I used to study, but like I was aware there is thin line between carefree and careless.
Right.
So one should be carefree but not careless.
Absolutely.
So I was not very high-fi in academics, and I used to study but not that much. Another example I would like to give of few of my friends, 3 or 4 of them, like Rakshit, Deepak, they are all part of Matrix only. They studied with me for 4 or 5 years. We all were like average in academics. We used to do all kinds of stuff, but still I have seen them, all of them are successful right now. One of my friend Rakshit, he is in one of the top universities of Germany right now, and Deepak, he is in AIT Pune.
Right.
So what I can tell is you should enjoy your life as well as study at that time. Be carefree.
Very nice.
Does not matter if you are an average student or anything, but you should have fun in school as well as study and take part in all the activities provided by the school.
Perfect. So if I can sum up what you are saying, that education is a journey, it's not a destination.
Yes.
So enjoy while learning. Is that what you are actually trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So Manas, आपके साथ में बात करके बहुत मज़ा आया, and I'm sure the children and the parents must have taken some tips from you, And I think we'll do some more of these sessions so that we can give some real-time learning experiences to our children. So thank you for joining us, and it was lovely talking to you. Thank you, Manas.